pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
chocolate biscuits. For this you will need 8 ounces of self-raising flour, 4 ounces of Caster superfine sugar, 3 teaspoonfuls of cocoa, 4 ounces of margarine, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 12 drops of vanilla essence. Mix the flour and the sugar in a bowl. Then mix in the cocoa powder. Now rub in the margarine. Mix into a stiff paste with the milk and essence. Tip out onto a flour work surface. And roll out thinly. Cut with your scone cutter. And place on a greased baking sheet. Bake for about 15 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Not bad, better than I thought they'd be. Quite nice. I'd give them 17 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.